These reservoirs high in the hills above Aberystwyth have been supplying drinking water to Wales for over 60 years. Ensuring our drinking water quality is first class is vital to us in Cymru Welsh water, and looking for innovative ways to improve that is really important to us. We're keen to use data science to model drinking water quality source to tap, so we turn to Aberystwyth University for help, advice and expertise.
As part of the treatment process, water passes through banks of filters which are monitored by sensors, and we want to use the data from the sensors to give us early warning of any anomalies or problems. What we're doing as computer scientists is applying data modelling and data science to the data collected by the sensors to make the system even better.
Our collaboration with Cymru was showcased at an event held by the university at Pierhead by the Senedd in Cardiff Bay. We brought academics together with representatives from the water industry, environmental agencies and policymakers to discuss how research can help keep our water clean and healthy for humans and animals.
Well, it's really important for us to come out to these types of events. As academics, we quite often spend a lot of time in the lab doing our research and talking to our students, but of course the end users of our research are very often the people who are implementing the findings of that research and turning it into policy. So it's really important that we engage directly with the policymakers and also the other stakeholders that are in there today.
They're really important that we don't just do the research, but we take the research out and tell people about it, because that way people get to learn what we're doing and they can collaborate with us and we can collaborate with them, and the work we do can actually get out into the community.
It's always nice to be able to validate and feed the conception of your research from the end users themselves. So having this diverse range of people talking about how we can help to resolve and mitigate issues against Welsh water pollution is very, very fantastic.
There's no point in research unless you can get impact. So meeting people from the Welsh Government and the other agencies is really important to understand their views of what we as researchers can do to try and solve the water problem issues and ensure that it gets translated to policies or actions that can really address the problems.